What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Dividend Queen here. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. On my channel, I share content all about dividends, passive income, investing, and everything in between. So if you're into this type of content or want to follow my journey, feel free to subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about all the times that I got paid in dividends for the month of July. I got paid 14 times in the month of July, all dividend payments. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned. All right, you guys, let's take a look at the portfolio. Right now, we are currently sitting at $6,984.70. You guys, I built this portfolio from scratch. Back in January, I signed up for an account. If you guys are interested in signing up for an account, I will leave a link down below. You will get one free stock, and I will get a free stock as well. So if you're interested in that, then definitely get started today. So I finally took a deeper dive in February and decided to get my feet wet just a few weeks before the actual stock market crash. It was a great time to actually get started investing. Who knew? But yep, so right now, up until that point, we're now at $6,984, which I think is absolutely amazing. Prior to January, I wasn't even thinking about an account and bringing in passive income outside of my retirement portfolio. So I definitely think that this is a great way to bring in extra income while building wealth as well. So on the week, you guys, we are up 18%. And if we go out 1 month, the portfolio is down 0.39%. And over the 3-month period, you guys, we're up 9.72%. And over the year, although we haven't been investing for a year, it is 3.99%. And of course, all time 3.99%. So we're getting very close, you guys, to a 7K portfolio. Right here, you can see that that's probably my free stock there. As I got started, I went down, down, and down, even before the actual stock market crash hit. And this was just due to me being an absolute beginner and picking stocks that absolutely took me nowhere, you guys. So you follow it down here, you can see that I was just on a tear. It was crashing and crashing all the way down, and it peaked right here at $859.45. I was at a loss of $859, which at that point, I'll be honest, you guys, I almost wanted to pull the plug and just give up. But I did continue to buy. I bought on the dips. I didn't let the fear stop me, you guys, and I didn't sell out. So now we are back up, you guys. And let's see. So now that we're back up, you guys, the portfolio is doing quite well up at about 4%. And let's go ahead and get a look at all of the dividends that we got paid in the month of July. All right, you guys. So our first payment came from General Parts Company. We got paid out 79 cents for owning 1 share of General Parts Company. Our second dividend is for $1.25 at 41.5 cents per share for 3 shares of PPL Corporation. And next up is my personal favorite stock, Coca-Cola. We got paid out $3.28 at 41 cents per share for 8 shares of Coca-Cola. Next up, we have Iron Mountain, and for owning 14 shares, we got paid $8.66 at 0.6185 cents per share. Next up, we have AG&C. You guys, this is a monthly pair. We got paid out $1.68 at 12 cents per share for owning 14 shares of AGNC. And I may have more shares of this company, I'm not sure, but those shares didn't cross the ex-dividend date, which means that I didn't own them in time to get paid for those shares in this particular quarter, well, month, because this is a monthly payer. So on the next monthly payment, the amount would be a little bit higher. And next up, we have Maine, also a monthly dividend payer. And for owning 12 shares of Maine, we got paid $2.46 at 0.25 cents. And next up is O, another monthly dividend payer, $1.40, you guys, at 23.5 cents per share for 6 shares of O, and that's Realty Income Corporation. And next up is Federal Realty Investment Trust. We got paid $6.30 at $1.05 per share for owning 6 shares of FRT. WP Carey, you guys, we got paid out $1.04 for owning 1 share of WPC. And this is another that I bought quite a few more shares of. So by the time the next payment rolls around, this payment will be a little bit higher. And for Medical Properties Trust, you guys, we got paid out $1.08 at 27 cents per share for owning 4 shares. And our next payment was from Prospect Capital Corporation, PSEC, you guys. This was the first dividend that I ever received back when I first got started in February. And for this stock, where we got paid out $2.34 for 6 cents per share for 39 shares of PSEC. And the last two, for Good, which is Gladstone Commercial Corporation Real Estate Investment Trust, you guys, we got paid 88 cents at 0.12.5 cents per share for owning 7 shares of Good. And lastly, for SPHD, you guys, we only have 1 share, and for 1 share we receive 15 cents. For Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. So you guys, those were all of the payments that we received for the month of July. These last 2 payments came in on the 31st, and then they end up getting paid out on the 1st, but it was part of the July payments. And as a total, you guys, we brought in $32.11 in dividends. I am so excited about this, you guys. The amount may seem very small now, but it is continuing to grow and has continued to grow since I got started, and I'm on track to hopefully get this up to between $50 to $60 per month in dividends on average, because some of the payments are quarterly and some are monthly, but just divided by 12 on an annual basis, the payments will be between $50 to $60 per month, and that is just extra passive income. Right now, you guys, with $32.11, just think about what you can do with that amount. And with this portfolio, you guys, my goal is to grow it to $500 per month in dividends as a completely passive stream of income, inspire you guys to get started on your passive income journey, and to teach my kids financial literacy in the process. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to my July dividend payments income video. We would love for you to join us. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video.